What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a crazy video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about the end of Uber. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to Buckle. Buckle is the best form of rideshare insurance. It lets you wrap both your normal policy and your rideshare driving into one policy, something a lot of drivers haven't had access to for a very, very long time. So obviously a lot of savings just right there alone. On top of that, they have very competitive rates, will cover you in any type of accident, and they're gonna give our viewers $20 just for getting a free quote by using the link in the description below. So check it out, guys. Let's jump in. Alrighty, so we've talked a little bit about Uber Comfort. They have ramped it up even more. When do you guys hear this? Uber's Comfort electric option is expanding to 25 cities throughout North America. The option allows users of the app to request electric vehicles, specifically those same electric vehicles that Uber pays more to than those of us with gas vehicles, because they want to incentivize us to go buy a $50,000, $60,000 car. Uber's Comfort electric service, which lets customers request EVs, is expanding from operating solely in California to 25 cities throughout North America. Uber's CEO, Dara whatever, reaffirmed in an interview that he wants all Uber fleet vehicles to be electric by 2030, and he's clearly making a push for it. Drivers with gas-powered vehicles at that time will be forced to either switch to an electric vehicle or stop driving for the company. This is what I theorized, and now they're just flat out saying it. It's insane. The Comfort Electric service separates itself from Uber Green, another electrification effort. By requiring vehicles to be fully electric, Uber Green is less stringent, allowing both EVs and hybrids to qualify for the service. Uber specifically singles out Tesla's Polestar and the Ford Mustang Mach-E as the premium electric vehicles available with Comfort Electric. We checked to see where Comfort Electric sits in the menu of price choices for Uber using a weekday trip between two locations in central San Francisco. For this one example, the Comfort Electric choice was priced at $26.72, almost $10 more than the other EV choice, Uber Green, which costs $15.71. Opting for a standard Uber X ride was $15.93, whereas Uber Black SUV, the most expensive option, cost $48.95 for the same trip. Wow. So then back in 2020, they committed $800 million to help drivers make the transition, which was like a ridiculous way to spend that money, in my opinion, because it was just a rental program for more expensive rides, you know, like, so people got to rent Teslas and give more expensive rides. Now, obviously, I think it's going to be like anything else, where then you can just take standard rides. So I don't know. I mean, maybe in California, a lot more people will request fully electric rides. But the reality is, most people aren't. People are always going to cater to price. You've got a ride that's $10 cheaper. They're at least going to do the Uber Green, if they even care that much. And it's weird to me that the Uber X ride was actually more expensive than the Uber Green. Their whole model makes no sense to me sometimes. So really frustrating for me, because now they're just flat out saying it, that by 2030, you guys will have to choose. Either get an electric vehicle or quit. It's so insane, and I've said this before, but like, the thing that drives me crazy is just that when the drivers ask about it, then they're like, well, we just want to incentivize you guys to go green. You're gonna get paid more for each ride. But it's like, yeah, it's not easy to just go buy a really nice electric vehicle. I haven't looked into prices for the Mach-E, which I would never buy, but I can't imagine like it's that cheap. Teslas aren't the cheapest on the market. There's ways you can get a nice used one, but like, it's still a heftier price tag. So very frustrating. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out Buckle Insurance, linked in the description below. This to me is a no-brainer, because insurance is an issue that has really screwed a lot of drivers in the past, me being one of them. So it's very frustrating when you finally have something happen and then these companies all back out. Buckle is a safe option. It's very affordable. And like I said at the beginning, you're gonna get 20 bucks just for getting a free quote. So check that out, guys, and stay tuned for more updates.